Neuraltext iMarketing Pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext iMarketing is an AI-powered platform designed to help marketers create high-performing content and optimize campaigns faster than ever. Most people think AI tools are just for generating copy, but the surprising truth is that Neuraltext also provides keyword research, content briefs, and automated SEO recommendations all in one place. Pricing for Neuraltext marketing starts at per month for the basic plan, which includes access to AI-generated content, keyword analysis, and limited project usage. The Pro plan costs around per month and unlocks more projects, advanced SEO tools, and enhanced AI capabilities. Enterprise-level pricing is custom, offering unlimited projects, team collaboration, and dedicated support. Neuraltext excels in streamlining the marketing workflow. For example, a content team can quickly generate blog posts, social media captions, and email copy, all optimized for SEO and engagement. The platform's content brief generator ensures every piece aligns with target keywords and audience intent, saving hours of research and planning. Key features include AI content generation, automated SEO recommendations, keyword research, content briefs, analytics dashboards, and team collaboration tools. Enterprise users also benefit from dedicated onboarding, priority support, and customizable workflows to match organizational processes. In conclusion, Neuraltext iMarketing Pricing reflects a platform built to accelerate content creation, improve SEO, and optimize marketing campaigns efficiently. If your goal is to create high-quality marketing content quickly and at scale, Neuraltext provides a comprehensive solution that goes beyond basic AI copywriting.